Welcome, Chia. Today we'll be doing factoring the difference of two cubes. And over here I have an example of 27x cubed minus 8. Now to set up this, all you gotta do is have a parenthesis. Okay, cubed, don't forget the cube. Now all you gotta do is think about the number cubed 3 times, or 3, itself, that equals 27. In this case, it will be 3x. Now in this parenthesis, you have to think about a number that is cubed 3 times that equals 8, and it's going to be 2. Okay. The next step is having a small parenthesis with a medium-sized parenthesis, timing each other. And before you move on, I want you to remind you that the so is an important word which stands for same, opposite, always, positive. Same is the sign, so it's always the same. Now when you're on this parenthesis, always opposite, the first one, which is going to be plus, and the last one, which is going to be always positive. All you gotta do for this one is just drop in those numbers, the 3x minus 2. That's all you have to do, just drop it in. The second one, all you gotta do is square the numbers. So the first one, 3 squared, which is equals to 9x squared. The middle area is 3x times 2, which is 6x. Okay, and then the last one is going to be 2 squared, which is going to be 4. And there you have it. Don't forget to box your answer. I'll be back with another example. I'm going to erase this board. I'm back with another example, which we have over here, 125x cubed minus 64. Again, let's set it up. The process. So what number cubed equals 125, which is 5x. Don't forget the x. And which number cubed equals 64? You're going to have 4. Let's set up the 2 parentheses. And again, don't forget about so. We're going to have the same sign, which is minus, opposite sign over here, and always positive in the end. Now, all you got to do for the first parenthesis is just take those numbers in and stuff it in the parentheses. 5x, don't forget the x, like I did. And the next one, parentheses, all you got to do is square them. 5x squared, which is going to be 25x squared, plus 5x times 4, which is 20x. And then the last one, 4 squared, which you're going to have 60. And don't forget to box the answer. And that's your answer. I'll be back. I'm going to erase this board, and I'll be back with another example. Alright, I'm back with another example, but this time is different. We have the sum of 2 cubes, but the process should be the same. Again, we're going to set it up, those 2 parentheses, but this time it's going to be positive, don't forget. Okay, one number cubed equals 125, which is going to be 5x. Plus one number cubed equals 1. Again, let's set up those small and medium size parentheses. And don't forget about the rules. So, same, opposite, always positive. This time it's going to be the same, which is going to be plus. Going to be opposite over here, which is going to be minus, don't forget, and always positive. over here we're gonna have 5x plus 1. We all know that. The second parenthesis is gonna be squared. So 5x squared, which you get 25x squared, minus 5x times 1, which is 5x, plus 1 squared, which is going to be 1. And don't forget to box the answer. I'm going to erase this board, and I'll be back with another example. Alright, I'm back with another problem, the last one. And this time we have 64x cubed plus 27. Again, let's set up those cube parentheses. Now, what number is cubed equals 64? We have 4x. And what number cubed equals 27 is 3. Alright, next is you're going to draw the small parentheses and the big or medium-sized parentheses. And don't forget the rule of soap. At this point, because you need soap in your life. Alright, the soap tells you the signs, which is over here is the same, which is going to be positive. Over here is going to be opposite, which is going to be minus. And then in the end, you're going to always have positive sign. And everything drops into the small one, 4x plus 3. And then for the last box over here, parenthesis, is going to be squared. So 4x squared, which is going to be 16x squared, minus 4x times 3, which is 12x. And then 3 squared, which is going to be plus 9. And don't forget to box your answer. And that's the end of factoring the sum of the two cubes. Go Trio!